We're going to start today with our calf muscle. So we're going to take a seat on our butt. We'll place the roller just above our Achilles. Press our butt off the ground, which would create more weight and pressure. We want to work across the muscle, moving side to side as well as up and down. If you need more pressure, place one leg on top of the other. We are now going to move to the hamstring. Let's place the foam roller at the base of the knee. Press our butt off the ground. Heel up as well. Apply pressure side to side and up and down. Now we're going to move on to the glutes. You're going to roll up and down, side to side. If you roll to one side, you'll have more pressure. And don't forget to roll on to the opposite side to work both glutes. Now we're going to place the foam roller in the small of our back. We're going to push our hips up, place our hands behind our head, and just roll up and down. If you start to feel the spot, you can roll side to side, up and down, side to side. We're going to come up into an all-fours position. We're going to place the foam roller just below the knee. With the free leg, we are basically in a push-up position. And we're going to roll onto the outside of the shin, working the tibius anterior. The tibius anterior runs down the outside of your shins. And we're going to explore going up and down and side to side in both the right and the left leg. We're going to start working on our quadriceps. So we're going to come into a plank position down on our forearms. We're going to place the foam roller above the knee. We're going to work the muscles, the meaty part of the muscle. We're going to go up and down. And if you start to feel a spot, you're going to go side to side. You have completed your foam rolling session. Now is the time where you could go back through and roll muscle groups that need extra care.